Uh, so how do I define self-care? I guess just improving on yourself, improving your health continuously, and doing it like mainly every day, hopefully at least in one way, if not in like multiple different ways. And so yeah, that's how I define self-care. What is unique about your self-care practice? Well, what I do for self-care is like this semester I've recently like just stopped wearing makeup and just started like only washing my face, like, or only like buying products that like help my face instead of like help cover up the things that are on my face. So I've been buying less of makeup and more of like face masks and like things just to get like the pores out of my nose. Just simple things that is like self-care to my face, and that's like improving my health. I also like to visit like random dogs, pet them on campus without asking other owners, and that's probably not good, but it's self-care to me unless the dogs bite me. Self-care, I guess meal prepping, because just knowing that I don't have to make any food for like the whole week, like every day of the week, and I can just make it one day a week and just know that I have my meals ready. I think that's like self-care because I'm improving what is going into my food, and like me not eating meat is healthy for me, and I'm not getting sick as much this year. So that's like another self-care that I practiced this year. And I don't know, just blowing bubbles and hanging out with friends and just relaxing is kind of self-care. And also like I try to meditate sometimes, like in the morning and at night before I go to bed, just to like release anything that has been like stress or anxiety throughout the day. And so what is not self-care and why? I think a lot of people think that self-care is drinking wine or drinking beer, just drinking alcohol in general. It's like self-care, or going out, or just binge eating. That's not really self-care. It's relaxation, and it's like taking time for yourself, but binge eating or binge drinking is not like self-care or improving your body. So I would argue that it's not self-care, but a lot of people think it is and say it is. And then how does self-care impact our ability to be a better listener? I think that if we care about ourselves, we can care about other people then, and just focus on listening to them. Because if we have a million things on our minds while we're trying to listen to someone, because we didn't self-care that morning or the previous night, or if we just are just worried about ourselves, then we're not going to be able to listen to the person that is trying to talk to us. So yeah, as long as you're self-caring, improving consistently on yourself, or at least trying, we can be better listeners by just focusing on what they have to say instead of focusing on what we're saying in our mind. So yeah, thank you for listening.